Another option which is available from Pakronics is the Adafruit PyGamer. The Adafruit PyGamer can be purchased in a demo kit like this, or it can be purchased just on its own. In this particular kit, there is a PyGamer, a laser cut acrylic enclosure kit, and a little lithium-ion battery to power the kit. This is the actual PyGamer here, and this can work perfectly fine just on its own without any of the enclosure. It has a USB micro connection which you can use to connect directly to a PC. Once connected to a PC, the same process is applied to uploading the code. You select here the hardware, you then scroll until you find the Adafruit PyGamer, and then switch on the PyGamer. You'll see here that the PyGamer registers as a disk drive. Simply download the code, and drag and drop that code into the PyGamer drive, just like this. The game is now loaded into the PyGamer and can be played from here. I'm using a game here that was made by a Year 6 student, 11 years old, and this is a basketball game. Connecting up the battery is as easy as just plugging it directly into the back there, and you can use some double-sided tape. There you have a hands-free way for your students to test and play their games. Like the Game Go, the PyGamer is another terrific handheld device which can be used to test students' games in or out of the classroom. Both devices are available, of course, from Pakronics.